Going to get our complimentary breakfast. Hopefully it's good.
I just want Rice Krispies.
It's clouds. It's actually not that cold this morning.
I know, I'm shocked.
We don't know what we're doing today, but I'm assuming it probably has to do with this beach and some other beaches close by, maybe some hiking. I don't know. Something. We're tired. The place we're staying has a sheet that goes over, or a curtain that goes over the entire window. It's the latest I've slept in like my entire life.
That was my favorite.
Felt like nighttime the entire time. All right, breakfast. But real quick, this is apparently a famous thing over here. I'll show you a picture, but this is called Face Rock because, well, it looks like this.
Apparently famous?
Okay, so that was Face Rock.
It is famous.
It is famous, not apparently. All right, we're going to do a little maze. Now we're going to go drive the oceanfront road, something like that. It's supposed to be a good drive. All right, you'll see.